Hello people, welcome back. So today I have driven into London this morning. I was in a bit of a rush this morning, so I didn't do a on my way sort of before and after, but I am here. I'm in the middle of Queen's Park, right in between two train rails. Yeah, have a look at that. This yard is from that gate to that gate, or wall should I say, and it goes back about half a mile. So I have got to turn around in this nice little bit of yard here, which is going to be fun. About the same sort of distance on the other side. In a minute, once I'm unloaded and ready to go, I shall give it a go, and see how it goes. Go. Right. Yeah. So it's a nice tight little bit to reverse. That's a reverse spin around in. Just about doable. Some people might say different. But you know. Now, on your way out, you've got a little tiny slip road. To an immediate left. And you're into the thick of it. Don't think I'm going to be able to get out, because this guy's picking up some plant hire stuff. I'm going to be blocking the road. Where can I go? Right, blocking the road. Wherever I go here, I will be blocking the road. Don't think I'm going to get round him. What is that? It doesn't look like it, does it? Letting me go. chap. Nice and tight. That's what I like. Wow, this has been a fun one, that's for sure. Oh, look at that. Good man, good man. He knows. Thanks, sir. Oh, that's bumpy. Pen just fell off. Thank you. This is the fun bit, getting out of here. There's always traffic on the other side of the road. I need to turn left, which means that I need to straddle their side of the road. Some pedestrians. Will the bus man let me go, maybe? Will he? No. Too late now, mate. Go on, it's too tight. Go on. I will not make that. You realise too late, my friend. You need to come this way, so you need to stop there. Good boy, good boy. Thank you. In there. Thank you. And we're off. Right. That's enough of me going away. And we're gonna get out of here. We are not following the sat nav because the sat nav. Run that woman over. Oh dear, good old London. I apologise. I mean, we still should park there, really. It's not the same spot, but you know, I'll let you guys decide who's wrong and right there. I'm just going to carry on driving. Coming to the zebra crossing, are you coming to the zebra crossing? Of course you are. There we go, mate. Eye contact, eye contact. This doesn't usually happen. People park in both sides. It's alright. You can really give me much of a choice. I've got a way in on. Guess I'll run you over. Jesus. See, this is naughty. Hey, you're stopping me from making my turn. Move! Move! Some of us have got places to go, you know. Oh, mate. Who parks there? Seriously, what a liberty. What an actual liberty. Looks like... I hope he gets a ticket. He might be getting a ticket. We would have got that on camera. What a stupid place to park. I did do a little bit of recording over this clip because I was too busy paying attention to what was actually going on rather than actually commentating on it, so yeah, that's why it all sounds a bit mixed up. policeman's like, what the hell? Silly people. Tight enough as it is this time, you know. Definitely not going to be doing that with him now. Gone back round to park there again, probably. Block someone else. I've probably caused all kinds of havoc. Well, I say he has probably caused all kinds of havoc. That is what you've got to deal with in London on a daily basis.